So hello guys, my name is Vinit Kisku and my channel name is Vinit Kisku. So today I'll tell you how you can put on your laptop background picture, any picture if you want to put. So how you will put? If you have a laptop or PC or desktop also you can say. So you have to open a Chrome browser and you have to search wallpaper for a laptop HD or HD laptop also. So you will get an image. You have to click. So I'm able to see the many image. So which image I like. By the example, I'll tell you this image I like so much. So after clicking on here, first it will become load, then only have download. So already it became loading and download also. So save image apps you have to click, and in which folder you want to save. I want to save in VK, and this I'll write anything also. So I did by this name I did save. So I click and save. So automatically it went there. You all can see the profile also, it is showing here also. So that means it is already done. So now mini image have to do, and you have to come here and you have to search that photo, that picture you have downloaded from the Chrome. Automatically it will come here. Then you have to fill in your which folder, so there it will come. So here it had come, which by which name I had done save, or in quick access also it will show. So they are showing here. For directly I'll click inside of this 2 times. So I'll go inside. So I'll do here status background and I'll cut. Just I'll do minimize. So you all can see this photo, this wallpaper is tearing. So for not tearing, I'll come in my setting. After coming in the setting, I'll search here theme. This will get themes for graded setting. So you have to click on this, and now you have to click in background. Background, that means wallpaper. So if you want to do some more design on if you want to put any design on your background, so first of all you have to do this. So now option you got fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, span. So first we'll see in fill, it is not looking clear. Photo also, image also you can say. In fit also I am not satisfied from the fit also. I am not satisfied from stretch also. So tile. So tile, it is making our laptop look some good. It is making so much better than it is so looking better than before. I can say this. And now center. Center is not looking clear photo also, and this background, outside background is so bad. So spam also I'll see, it is so bad spam also. For tile I'll put. So you saw this, if I like, so I'll cut directly from here only. So this is our background of our laptop. So I hope you all have understood this topic, what I was going to tell you all. So thanks for watching my video.